Good morning, my dear students. How are you today? Let's take our new unit, which is Unit 12 in Macmillan Book, which is called Black Beauty. It's a nice story about horse. Let's begin with our new words, please. As you see, number 1, an. An means a small atoll. Like this. This is an inn. When I travel to London, I will stay an inn for a week. Number 2, stable. Stable is a place where horses live. So, the place of horses is a stable. Number 3, dart. When the rat saw cheese, he darted to it. Dart means move quickly. Number 4, stall. Stall means a small room for one horse. So inside the stable you can say many stalls. Stall, small room for one horse. Again, small room for one horse. Number 5, hooves. Hooves mean things that cover the foot of some animals, like a horse, like this. This is hoof. It's a thing which covered the horse leg. Number 6, bridle. It's a leather band which put over horse head to control it. Like this. Number 7, scarf. Scarf is a piece of cloth worn around the neck or head. In winter, when I feel cold, I will put my scarf. Like this girl. This is a scarf. Something you put around your neck when you feel cold. Number 8, courage. Courage means bravery. The hero saved the people because he had courage. Courage means bravery. Stumble. Stumble means to step while walking or running and fall. For example, when the horse was walking, he stumbled or it stumbled. Number 10, rescue. Rescue to save someone. If I see a girl walking in the street and the car comes to hit her, I will rescue her. Rescue here means to save. Number 11, comfortable. Something makes you relax. I will watch a new movie. As watching movies makes me relax. So watching movies is comfortable thing. Number 12, considerable. Considerable means large or clear. Large number of things is considerable. Number 13, believable. Believable, able to be believed. Number 14, valuable. Valuable means very expensive and has a great value. For example, my ring is a valuable one. Number 15, cable. Cable is wire or electricity, like this. In your computer you can see cable. Let's make a revision about our new words. Number 1, an, small atoll, staple, place where horses live, dart, move quickly, 4, stall, small room for one horse, 5, hooves, things that cover the foot of some animals like a horse. Number 6, bridle, it's a leather band which you put over horse's head to control it. 7, scarf, It's a piece of cloth worn around the neck or head. Number 8, courage, which means bravery. Number 9, stumble, to step while walking or running and fall. Number 10, rescue, to save someone. 11, comfortable, something makes you relaxed, it's an adjective. 12, considerable, it's also adjective which means large or clear. Number 13, believable, its adjective means able to be believed. Number 14, valuable, it's an adjective means very expensive or has a great value. 15, cable, it's wired for electricity. Now, it's grammar time. In this lesson, we will take very easy grammar, which is talking about the relative clauses. We have already taken this part in the first semester. We will talk about who, which, where. As you know, number 1, who. Who is a relative clause for the person. For example, the man who saw the flames shouted, "Fire!" Here, who is a relative clause which connects between the two sentences and relates to the man, refers to the man. In the next one, James was a brave man who rescued the horses. Who here is the relative clause which connects between the two sentences and refers to James and the brave man. Number 3, my friend who sits next to me in class is going to watch the match. Who also refers to people, which is my friend, to connect us between the two sentences. Number 2, which. Which is a relative clause but refers to animals or objects. Like number 1, the roof which was on fire was in danger. Number 2, there was a dog which was making a lot of noise. I could solve the problem which she told me about. Here, which in these sentences refers to things or animals. In the first sentence, it refers to roofs. In the second sentence, it refers to dog. In the third sentence, it refers to problem. Number 3, where. Where is a relative clause for place. Like the first sentence, this is a house, or this is the house I live in it. This is the house where I live in. When I wanted to use where here, I can cancel the full stop. And the pronoun which relates to the house, cancel a full stop and cancel it, and then put the first sentence, this is the house, then put where, the rest of the second sentence, I live in. So our new house, this is the house where I live in. Okay? So let's make a revision quickly. Who and which. Who relates to or refers to people or a person. Which relates or refers to things or animals. And by the way, you can use, instead of who and which, you can use that. T-H-E-T. That. And where, instead of place, or refers to place. Now please open your page in new language, open your booklet in new language page, and write with me number 1. The man, between brackets who, because the man is a person. The man who works hard is a doctor. Here, who connects between the two sentences and refers to man. Number 2, the flat which I see is very clean. Here between brackets I wrote which. Which refers to thing or place. Here, cancel which please and put where. The flat, which I see or where I see. Here, I wanted to talk about adjectives related to flat, which is clean. So here, I should use which, not where. The flat, which I see, is very clean. Let's see another example about where for place. This is the part where I visit. Because I took the part of verb, not an adjective, I can use where. So, our sentences again, please. The man who works hard is the doctor. The flat which I see is very clean. This is the part where I visit. Let's see our exercise. Number 1, my friend who, whose, which live in Alex is coming to visit us. Friend here is the person, so I put who. Number 2, I like the dress. Who or which or whose my sister bought dress? Not a person, it's a thing, so I put which. I have a book. Whose, who, which is about the life of zoo animals. Book is a thing, so I will put which. She's the girl. Who, which, where had a party last weekend. Girl is a person, so I'll put who. Number 5, the people, when, which, who saw the match were lucky. People, of course, who. Let's see another exercise. Rewrite this next sentences. Number 1, I bought a new mobile. It was very modern. Put which. When I wanted to put a relative clause, firstly, cancel full stop. You want to put which. Here, in the first sentence, which relates to or refers to new mobile. The pronoun in the second sentence, which refers to new mobile, is that. So, cancel it, please. Then, put the first sentence, I bought a new mobile. Then, put which, then the rest of the second sentence. So our sentence, I bought a new mobile, which was very modern. Have you got it? Let's make another one. The policeman was kind. He let me park my car. He wants who? Who refers to the policeman in the first sentence and he in the second sentence. If I wanted to put who, cancel full stop, cancel he, put the first sentence, the policeman was kind, or the policeman. Who after policeman, because I have a noun at the beginning, put who after the policeman. Then the main verb, let me park my car. The policeman who let me park my car, what was kind. Okay? Let's continue. Number 3, she's a musician, she's very popular. I want to, as usual, cancel, full stop, cancel she, put the first sentence, She is a musician who. The rest of the second sentence is very popular. Number 4. I have a cat. It's very nice. I want which. Which relates to the cat in the first sentence and it in the second sentence. Cancel full stop. Cancel it. Put the first sentence. I have a cat, which is very nice. Number 5. This is the car. I bought it yesterday. I want which. So, cancel full stop. Which relates to the car and it. Cancel it. This is the car which I bought yesterday. Now, we have finished our first part in this unit. Inshallah, we will meet in the second part. Goodbye and good luck.